like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are here to see how to make the patterns of the cube. So let's begin. The first pattern is the plus pattern. How to make the plus pattern? Look this. You want to turn the upper side of the cube 2 times. That's known as UL2. Next is down L2. Next is the right up 2. Right up 2. Next is down up 2. Okay, we got this pattern. In this side we can't get this pattern. We don't get this pattern. So we want to turn this position to our face. So do that equation once more. Right up 2, left up 2. We got this pattern fully. This is the first pattern. Okay, this is the first pattern. This is known as the plus pattern. How do you know how to correct this? We want to turn the equation once more. We want to do this equation once more. The first is u left 2, down left 2. Next is right up 2, left up 2. So this and this side are fully completed. So the only problem is this part. This is easy one. You want to turn u 2 times and down 2 times. So we get this cube fully completed. So next is the diamond. How to make the diamond? So listen here. First, the middle portion, you want to turn it here. Turn the middle portion. Okay. You want to place this middle portion this side. You want to take any color. Okay. You want to, first step is you want to turn it to here. You want to turn this section to this section. Okay, like this. Next is you want to turn this section to this section. Okay, like this. We want to turn this section, the middle section, to this part. Okay. Next is, so we turn this section to this part. So next is turn this section to this part. Next is turn this section to this part, the right part. Okay, like this. Okay, next you want to turn this part to one second. So this part to down 2 times. Okay, 1 2. So we got the diamond. Okay, this is the diamond. So the next step is to clear this all to make the ordinary cube. So we want to restep this method. you want to redo this method. Okay, so first thing is this section to this section. So next is this section to this section. Next is this section to this section. Next is this section to this section. Next is this section 1, 2. Okay. So it is not completed yet. So we want to do this one more. Okay, we want to do it one more time. 1, 2. Okay. Want to do it many times. Okay. Want to do it many times. In one cases, you want to do it only in one time. Only in one cases. Okay. You want to do it only in one step. So this is fully cleared. So next is the one is the large case, the right to right method, that is very big. So that will be we discuss in later class. So goodbye, and please subscribe our channel. If you like it, please subscribe and press the bell notification. Wish you all the best. Thank you.